If you want to learn how to make $1, $2, that price range from Google directly, because there's an extension I'll show you how to set up. And if you want to learn how to make that much online or that little, then you want to watch this video all the way to the end. It's more of like a side hustle, but you don't have to do anything. You just have to share your internet. That's all. And Google does the rest, or would I say Swash does the rest. So this is Swash, and if you want to access it, you can just click on your Google button and search for Swash, or would I say just search swash dot swashapp.io and you actually get it. So you earn points, redeem gift cards, cash and crypto, and you can actually get paid using any of these payment methods that you just saw earlier. So they've got about 7 million total earning distributed, 17,000 plus offers available, and the average tax is actually about 5 minutes. So definitely this is something you can really do on the side if you're less busy, maybe at work or something. You can set it up on your laptop. All right, so you get paid for surfing the web. Like I just said, you don't have to do anything, just browse normally. You also get paid for viewing ads. All right, and whenever the ads pop up on your browser and you see maybe something that you need to check in, you can just view it. You get paid from that. You also get paid from Swatch and you can decide to donate if your earnings get big. Okay, so I'll show you later how much I've earned, but this video is just for you, teaching you so you can actually set it up and just browse. All right. So in order to do that, it's totally free. There's no money to this, and in order to do that, you just have to click on the get swash. All right, there's no rocket science. It's very easy. It's a Chrome extension, so you want to add it to your browser. It has about 5,000 plus ratings, which is good. 4.8 or 4.8, which is good. So you should know people are actually using this and earning from it. Like I said, an extra few dollars online, not some major money. Okay, so to maximize your earnings here, I'm gonna be real with you. Your country determines how much you would actually earn. So for my country, I'm earning very, very few bucks. So for your country, if you're in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, I know you actually get better gigs. All right, maybe most of your surveys will be within the range of $1, $2, $3 because there are better offers there. All right. So you want to follow the account creation process. You can actually read the terms of service if you've got time to understand better. All right, and so you don't fuck it up. And if you don't read it, you can just head over to the account creation and continue. I mistakenly cancelled the stuff, so I had to go back to the extension section and click it back. So we continue. Yes, you want to click on I'm new here. Definitely you're new, you don't have a wallet already, so there's a wallet they create for you after you create an account. Okay, and the other thing you need to set up, which is why I recommend you watch this video all the way to the end. Okay, so you understand every aspect of it. Remember, this is just something you set up. It's not something that you have to sit with, except if you've got free time and you just want to do some free stuff. Okay, so your gender and age and your income and all like that. So I don't know why it brought me back, but I'll just repeat the same process. There's no big deal there. Okay, so I said I was going to show you how you can actually maximize your earnings, which I'll just only recommend a video you can actually watch to set this up. So you watch the video, you use it to set this up, then definitely your earnings will increase. So I'll link the video to this video definitely, so you can actually see. So it needs verification. I added Gmail or apsprospect.com at gmail.com rather, and you click on I'm not a robot. That's all. There's no rocket science. So after that, definitely you get a verification code you need to put on and verify. So we did the whole verification, the capture stuff, and verify. That's all. You click on submit, and once you get your code, which I had to check my device for, once you get your code, you'd be able to advance to the next stage of the verification. All right, so not to waste your time, that did not come early rather. That's 284832 for the verification. I think that expires in 1 minute or so. So it brought me back to the privacy and policy again, which I had to like just next again, just like I did earlier. I don't know why I repeated stuff, but for here you have to click on turn on. So you see the turn on button there. So when you use Swash, you're in control of the data you share. You can always control what data Swash collects, like that. So you click on turn on Swash, so it will bring you here. Okay, so this is your dashboard for Swash, and these are the ads down to your left. These are kind of ads you'll be seeing on your browser, and those are how it can actually be. And if you don't like dark mode, I always like dark mode, you can always turn it off. Okay, you can always earn more, but there are things you still need to set up. All right, so if you really withdraw your earnings, there are things you need to understand. So click on the read more so you understand better. All right, no, not rocket science. Okay, so if you click on settings, you see your number is not verified, and you can only get paid if your number is verified. Okay, read about the backup of your account. You can use a Google Drive or local file. You can use Dropbox as well, and you can actually manage preferences of data and ads control, and your private key, which is something very important, and you were instructed, or you will be instructed, not to show it to anyone. Okay, so you want to click on end from ads, which would actually take you to where you need to check some buffing. Okay, so you want to check this 3 buffing. You want to make sure they are turned on, so you can actually end for just surfing the website. Okay, or clicking on the website rather. So you can do both. You can decide to click, you can decide to just browse normally. All right, so if you go to a new browser, definitely it should be directly from Swash. So Swash is going to be powering Google for you, and you can actually do your own research. The ads keep showing down below on the left side, and you can do different research. So I was just testing out how it works and how the ads come up. So it will actually take longer time to load because of it's trying to load up ads. So ideally, I think the reason why I did not get real ads popping up is because my country. So how I said you was going to maximize this, yes, you is going to maximize this by using Go Login. Like I said, I'll link the video to this. If you watch this video, you understand how Go Login works because I explain in details. And you can actually use the strategy I use for Go Login to actually earn more as well, because that pays better. All right, so watch this video up here and you understand how Go Login works and how you can actually earn better. So it's bringing advertisement instead of bringing an actual ads because of my location. I can guarantee you that, definitely. Okay, it's different. So you want to come back to your stuff and monitor your withdrawal. Claim you don't have anything to claim yet. So on this profile aspect, you want to complete your bets here and all like that, which I did. I don't think I actually showed you all that, but I did complete it, and I move on to the next stage. Okay, well, majorly you just want to do this on the side. It's not something you should focus on. $1 is not something you should actually put in a lot of energy. Just set it up and browse normally. So if you got extra time, you can always come back and answer some surveys or complete some tasks and a few bucks and go back to your actual work. Okay, because you can't focus on this as an actual work. It's pretty bad. You can also do the referral bonus. Maybe they get to pay you based on referrals. That is also possible. So here from 200 per month, I think that's an offer for someone in a recognized country. You know how it works. But if you watch Go Login video that I created, you know how you can actually get a lot more from this than the penny you're actually seeing here. Okay, so you just have to complete this task, and that's all. So it's advisable you access this with your phone, because some will actually require you downloading an app and reaching a certain stage on the app. There's an integration that actually helps them monitor this. So if you don't reach this stage, you're not earning anything, which to me is time consuming. Like this logic crossword puzzle in about $1.28. Okay, so that's how this works. Just set it up. If you've got time, answer the surveys. If you don't, then leave it. Okay, it's not a must. You don't have to do it. And so I picked one of these offers. I picked one of them, and kind of like it's walked me through the whole process. Like they brought some questions and all like that. But at the end of the day, they told me there are no surveys available. After I've gotten to about maybe fourth question or fifth question or so, yeah, definitely I picked the one that has shorter minutes, because it's even paying more than the rest. I don't know why it was like that, but if you're using proxy, go log in proxy, definitely you'll be able to answer these questions and they'll be able to like pay you. Definitely, I'm certain about it. Okay, so peace and love. If you do enjoy this video, kindly leave a like, kindly subscribe, and turn on your notification, definitely, because I'll be uploading side income also like this one that you can just set up and they come in passively whenever you browse, or share with you step-by-step strategy on how to actually make money online that would actually give you the best result. Okay, this is just something on the side. This is not something you take extremely serious. All right, so peace and love, and do have a wonderful week. Well, for those that are actually in Premier League, I hope you're prepared for your club. For me, as a Manchester United fan, what can I say? I'm prepared. All right, leave a like, subscribe, and you get more videos like this, maybe twice or twice in a week, because I'm also choked up with other stuff. All right then, thanks.